Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I have a project share I'd like to share with you all in this video, and it's these adorable deers that I have embellished, and they are so cute. I added some googly eyes to the face that has some eyelashes on there, and then I also added some red glitter paper using a bow to run through the machine just to decorate her neck. And this is just a little red enamel dot for her nose. So that's how she looks like. It's really cute. And this is another one that I've made. This one doesn't have the eyelashes, that's just a plain googly eye, and I guess I tried to make this one a male and this one was the female. So they're the two that I've made. I'll also show you the dye that I had used for these projects as well. So I'll just show you these other ones first. So this is just another one. I adhered the deer to a heart shape die as well that I've got in my stash. So that's another one. They've all got the eyelashes on the eyes. So that's another one here. Very easy to make, and these will be ready for me to add to my projects, or if I'm going to add to my Happy Mail for whoever receives it, they can use that in their projects as well. So this is another one. And these flowers here are just fussy cut out of some of my 12x12 paper that I've got. And that's the other one here as well. So this particular die is this one here. It is really cute. I will put the link down below for you, and it's a good size as well. So it's a good size for you to add to your projects, for your card making, for your tags, for any projects really. So that's how the die looks like. And these eyes here are these packet of googly eyes that I had purchased from Aliexpress, and these are the ones with the eyelashes, and I'll also put that down below for you if you wanted to purchase that. I think there was about 100 pieces in there. So that's they're the eyes, and they've got little stick-on peels, so they're just ready for you to peel off and stick to your project, so you don't have to use any glue. I've also got this deer die as well. This is how it looks like when you cut it out. It's really cute as well. So I just added again one of the eyes with the eyelashes, red rhinestone, that stick-on rhinestone, and this is just a satin bow that was already made into a bow that I just adhered to her neck as well. And that die is this one here. So this is slightly larger in size to this one, so it is quite a good size. So that's how that one looks like. I do like this one. So yeah, so that's that one. And then I've also got these cute little deers as well, or reindeers. And there's 4 of those, and then you get a little Christmas tree, a love heart, and a tiny little star. So when you run that through the machine, that's the shapes that they look like. They are very tiny. I'll just show you on this white paper. So they are super tiny, but they're great for your little projects. If you wanted to use a smaller deer die, so like I've done here, I've used I'll just put that down here so you can see. I've made that into in an altered paper clip. So this is your little smaller paper clip size that that I put on there. So that's this one here. So that's how it looks like. It's really tiny, but I actually like this size. I think it's they're really cute. So I'll also put that down below for you if you wanting to purchase that size. So I just wanted to share with you some of these deer dies that I've got here in my stash, and then I'll put the links down below for you if you wanted to use these for your projects, especially now that Christmas is coming very soon. These would make great projects for your Christmas projects. So I just wanted to share that with you. So thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.